Hey Scorpio, welcome to my channel. This is a daily guide reading for you. This is a bonus reading. This is applicable for you Scorpio. General and love. This is a 3-card spread. This is for the period of April 24 and 25 and plus 2 to 3 days. This is for Scorpio. What can I get for Scorpio? General and love. April 24 and 25, please. Your first card, Scorpio, is the Six of Pentacles in upright position. You've got the, wow, Five of Wands in reverse, which is good. This is Knight of Swords in upright position. So over the next 24 hours, plus 2 to 3 days, Scorpio, it seems to be that you've reached that sense of balance, or you're being advised to take care of, of balance in terms of, giving and taking, and, a give and take kind of energy. It seems to be that, look around you, you might be neglecting someone, something, because you're being advised to be balanced, or you already reaching this energy over the next 24 hours, a balance. You need to have balance with what you give, what you receive, or an attention. Like, you look around, you might be overly giving an attention to your partner but not with your kids, or overly giving attention to people but not with yourself. So there's this energy in here that reaching balance, or being balanced with everything over the next 24 hours plus 2 to 3 days, because that balance will resolve the issue. Okay, will help you aid with any argument, miscommunication. Okay, so it could be, for some of you, I'm picking up energy to listen to both sides, or listen before you talk, or give way, you know. So in terms of love, you have to listen before you say something, you have to give way, you have to be balanced, a give and take kind of relationship, a give and take communication. Don't over reply, don't under reply, don't play games, just be balanced, because that would give you the Five of Wands in reverse. Five of Wands reverse is, being united, not arguing, end of argument, end of miscommunication. And once you reach these two cards, this two vibe of energy, the Knight of Swords is coming towards you. I don't think this is bad. Sometimes Knight of Swords can be hasty energy, can be an impatient person, but I felt like there is a person, a situation coming towards you, because they've realized that the miscommunication ended, the argument is done, finished, and they see you now as a more balanced, more calm, whatever balance. And it talks about balance, whatever you, how like, it's coming towards you, because it's sense, if this is a person or a situation, I felt like it's more of a person. It's more of a person coming back towards you to speak about some truth, some action oriented goal, if this is a project or career, because they realize that the argument is done, miscommunication is done, and they really find you in a more, in a better situation, balanced, calm, and patient. Okay, it's something positive coming towards you. It could be an ex, it could be someone you look forward to, or it could be a communication, or a boss, or a project. They're coming towards you because you've kind of display the attitude, you've kind of display and show a sense of balance on how you handle this miscommunication or argument. Okay, so this is for you, Scorpio. This is your daily guide advice, applicable for love in general. I hope you like it, I hope you enjoy it. So don't forget to please, if you do, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Thanks, Scorpio. Thanks. Bye bye.